Hello, everybody. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Digital Onion. This is Tim Onion coming to you with a new review on Levels. It's a new product put out by Glynn Kosky. It is supposed to be an all-in-one affiliate program, which, after looking at it and reviewing it, I will say that he has definitely done that. All right. So, if you're a newbie and you're looking to get into affiliate marketing, this is a good way to start. All right. I've put together a bonus package which you can grab in the description down below. There'll be a link that you can click on and it'll take you to the bonus page which I'm about to show you. Alright, and let's go to that. Boom. My insane bonus bundle. Alright. Hundreds of dollars, maybe even thousands of dollars once you get to the end of it here. Alright, first bonus is boost your online sales. And this is to show you how to target your audience, put together the sales pitch and everything else along the lines to help you boost your sales. Bonus number two, lazy profit explosion. How to take your system from $1 a day to 10,000 a month. All right. AdWords retargeting. How to focus on your customers and see what they're interested in and so on and so forth, and how to market to them. How to build a buyer's list. Everybody needs a buyer's list because that's where that's your traffic. That's your people. Those are the people that you have bought from you, and you're gonna want to market to them again because they bought from you. And then affiliate blueprint. This is the step-by-step how to get your affiliate marketing entrepreneur at home business started. All right. And not only that, with all these bonuses, $97 value, $267 value, so on and so forth. I also have worked with the vendor and gotten these exclusive vendor bonuses, which are included. All you got to do is go into my bonus page and pick them up here. All right. And this page does expire in 6 days on the 22nd of March. So if you want to buy it from me, act now. And let's go into, if you click here, it'll take you to the sales page, which is right here. Scroll up to the top and let's see what this is about. All right, it's 100% done for you self monetized affiliate system with built in free buyer traffic. And one of the things I liked about this product was that it's not just the normal built-in traffic, here promote on Facebook, here Instagram, this, that, and the other, It actually has a built-in traffic source that is something other than that. Get free buyer traffic in 3 clicks, never before seen technology, no experience or skills required, designed for beginners like you. And it is exactly that. It's a point and click system. All right. Here we go. This is that. There's the testimonials. This is what they've done using this system. I mean, that's Glynn Kosky right there. He's a 7, 8 figure a year marketer. So if he's putting his name on this, you're pretty sure that it's going to work. All right. Let's go into the front end members area here and show you exactly what it's all about. All right. And this is, of course, the welcome page, which every software has or should have. All right. It tells you, gives you an overview of what you can do with the system, the tutorials. After watching your welcome, you're going to want to know exactly how to do it, the levels of the overview, how to insert your affiliate links, the integrations such as your autoresponder, how to add your own reviews, and create banner ads. And you can pretty much do it all. Auto profit boost, using the upgrades, which I'll show you in a moment what they are and how much they cost. bonus page builder, and traffic strategies. And it gives you a whole bunch of other things. And then, you got additional bonuses right there. All right. And then we go into the products pages. Once you have your affiliate links inserted, you'll have this page right here, which you can see we've added some. I've added some right here. All right. Scratches, and it's as simple as this. Your affiliate links right here. You just copy your affiliate links, paste it in there. All right. And it's as simple as that. And now you have your bonus added in. Okay. Actions. Copy the link, go to that page, and again, you just get your affiliate link, copy it, paste it in there, and boom, it's on the website that you're going to build. All right. Site settings. So you can edit your website, the preview picture, your product picture, homepage settings, give a description of what your website's about. All right. There's where you add your autoresponder, your social links, Facebook, Twitter, Tumblr, YouTube, Dribble, all that good stuff. Auto profit boost, Facebook tools. All right. So you can do an instant link to Facebook, when you do an update or what have you to your site. And let's take a look at the website here. Let's go to the home page. This is the review page right here. All right. There we go. New Year. It's just not the home page. There we go. All right. There's the home page. There you go. Welcome to Levels. Of course, this is just generic. And here we go. Here's the popular review. This is what you've added to your website, and of course you can just click on one. Gives you that. Click to get your copy right now. Being a reviewer, you can add in what you liked. Sign up for put your bonuses in here. There's your review. Thanks for all the. This is built-in bonus page right here. This gives access to everything. So they just point, click, and you build it without any thought to it whatsoever. Like I said, it's an automated system. It is what it says it is. And then the free traffic, which, like I said, is more than just your normal Facebook and YouTube SEO, so on and so forth, right here. And he's even going to give you free clicks to your website amongst the other traffic sources that he's incorporating here. You really can't beat it. And this is the front end. This isn't even the upgrades. They have all these upgrades right here, which I'm going to go over with you in a moment. What the prices are. And let me tell you, the prices really for what you're getting are exceptional. All right. Let's go back over to my bonus page where I got a list of them. All right. Design for beginners. Step 1, click the buy button, secure your copy. Step 2, log in and enter your details into the system. Step 3, switch on the built-in traffic to enjoy an influx of buyer traffic to your link or website. And like I said, I've used other products of his and they do work. So here we go. Front end, $18.08. For what you're getting is amazing. All right. The upgrade number 1, which is the unlimited version, which gives you a lot more access, and you can basically do as many as it allows you to add more than just the normal front end version. $47 with a $27 downsell, 100% done for you. which helps you add in your integrations and get to those places. If you, especially if you're a beginner, you're gonna probably want that just to help you figure out what you're doing without having to put hours and trying to figure it out. All right, and that's $147 with a $47 downsell. Unlimited traffic, which is exactly what it says it is. It's a $97 with a $37 downsell. Automation, $67 with a $37 downsell. ATM, $147 with a $47 downsell. The Ultimate Edition, $47 with a $37 downsell. 30K, help boost up those profits, get to 30K a month, hopefully. $47 with a $19 downsell. Super affiliate, another way to boost those commissions, get you up there a little bit higher. $37 with a $19 downsell. Millionaire edition, and that just keep going on up. That's it. $147 with a $47 downsell. All right. So, like I said, I have all these bonuses here, which I have put together exclusively for this. You only get these ones here with my offer. All right. And everything here is just to show you how, especially if you're a newbie, how to get started, what to do, and basically how to take your business to the next level. All right. So, again, thank you for watching my review. If you if you would please like and subscribe down below. Also, if you want to buy the product, go ahead and click below down in the description, and you know it'll take you to my bonus page, which takes you to the sales page, and feel free to buy it and start your own at-home online business. All right. Thank you again, and have a good day.